Thank you, Subi. So, in honor of National Candy Cane Day, we're adding a twist to the peppermint treat.
Much like my tie, Paul Tsiknakis for the Monarch Diner and Restaurant in Glassboro, New Jersey, joining us. Good morning to you. Was I close?
Good morning. Very good. Very
all
good.
right.
Yep.
I was worried about that. Happy National Candy Cane Day.
It's an honor to be here.
And you guys are serving this up at your restaurant.
Yes. So this is a little bit of a twist on our recipe. My father's been a pastry chef for 40 years, so every holiday we try to add a little bit of something to make it festive.
Another twist.
And this year we're doing a peppermint brownie sandwich.
Oh, it's amazing.
We're doing a...
Let's start with this one. What'd you put in it?
Sure. So it's a little bit of cream cheese icing with peppermint flavor.
Yeah.
And then we sandwich it with crushed candy canes.
I love it. I love the layers here.
Yeah. So a lot of fudge and a lot of peppermint and a lot of candy there.
And when you think of diners, we always think of like amazing, fabulous desserts. So.
So you have a brownie on the bottom, a little of the cream cheese, and then you have some of the peppermint there, and then another layer repeat.
Oh my God, it's so rich. And of course, like you can make this at home with the kids, which is really fun with you have all the candy canes that are left over.
Absolutely. It's very easy. You just get your basic brownie mix, which is very good to use, and then a little bit of cream cheese, sugar, a little bit of margarine, and crushed candy canes, leftovers.
I said, today's the day I'm going to be good.
I know, today's my day.
Thanks a lot, Paul.
Yeah, you're not getting out of it today.
How about dessert for breakfast?
Oh, so good.
So here is our traditional pancake recipe. In the batter, we broke up some candy canes that we just took off the Christmas tree. And on top, we also did a peppermint cream cheese icing here. But we also colored it with a little bit of strawberry glaze, just to give it the color and to make it festive.
I almost feel like the candy canes are a little softer.
So when you warm them up, they do warm up.
Okay.
And
so the key is to warm them up a little bit.
There are certain candy canes that have.
I thought there was something wrong
softer.
with my teeth. And I was hoping this is bourbon, but I fear this is maple syrup.
So we do offer a real Vermont maple syrup at all our diners. So.
Well, it's delicious. All right, so then you're going to make a classic dessert with the candy canes on top, which is amazing.
Yes. So our cheesecake is by far our best-selling dessert on the holidays, especially during Christmas. We added a little bit of twist here. It's peppermint flavored cheesecake with crushed candy canes on top. We're also using a peppermint cream cheese icing on top. I've already added the eggs. The ingredients, I believe, we can post on the website, and you'll.
Fox39.com.
You'll
a
be
couple
able to
of
get
eggs.
that.
I'm sure. Just taking a guess here. Cream cheese.
Eggs, cream cheese, and sugar has been already mixed for a couple minutes. We're also going to add 3/4 of a pint of heavy cream.
Ooh. What is the heavy cream? It gives it a thicker texture?
It gives it the texture and makes it fluffy in the end. The eggs and the eggs actually give it the fluffiness.
So you mix this for a couple of minutes.
Correct.
Make sure that everything's kind of smooth.
Correct.
All right.
And then we also, instead of adding the vanilla flavoring, you add the peppermint extract.
And the peppermint.
Yeah, sure.
How fast can we go?
As fast
we're
as
on
you can
6
go.
now, Paul.
The peppermint extract you can.
We're on 8, Paul. I won't do it to you.
The peppermint extract you put in and you release it.
So it's peppermint extract.
Peppermint
so
extract makes the difference here today.
Can you also crush this like very fine and then?
Oh,
add
absolutely,
together? All right.
absolutely. So we're gonna spray a little bit of butter so it doesn't stick when you're cooking it. You pour it into a pan, and you want to give it a water bath prior to putting it in the oven.
The infamous water bath.
The water bath, the steam allows the cheesecake to steam up and fluff up
Wait, is it
nicely.
warm or cold?
No.
You
So
make it cold. Okay.
yeah, you put it in lukewarm, and you put it in the oven for 2 hours at 350, and a perfect color. And just you shake it a little bit to see if it's fluffy, sturdy, and that'll give you a perfect peppermint cheesecake. And then you can decorate it to your liking.
The pan directly.
The pan directly in there with the water bath.
Oh,
That's the
interesting.
secret.
That's a good secret.
What is this over here?
So if you want to spice things up for the holidays a little bit, which I think maybe the last few days we've had a few, but peppermint schnapps is a good substitute for the flavoring, and you can add that for a lot of the flavoring ideas that we just talked about.
And what was this stuff? Just to
A little bit of so this is a coloring drizzle just to give it the effect. Sprinkle it on top before you put it in the oven, and just do a swirl with a spoon. So you'll see a swirl.
pretty.
Once you cut into the cheesecake, you'll see a little bit of a candy cane feel to it.
Delicious. Where are you located again?
We're located 500 Delsey Drive, right by Rowan University. It's very easy to get to from all the local highways.
We'll have this recipe,
Paul, thank
fox29.com. I
you.
can't wait to see what you do next year with the candy canes.
We appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Happy
Thanks
New
for
Year to
having
you.
us.
Thank
you.
you.
All right.